Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Age of Mythology game, any kind of audio problems or the sound issues. So guys, first thing you need to do is just simply exit from your Steam. Click on the Steam icon on the top and click on the exit. Once you completely exit from your Steam, then launch the Steam again and launch your Age of Mythology game again and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then you can right click on your sound button. Here you will see the open sound setting. If you don't see here, you can go to the Windows setup, here the settings and open it. Now guys, here you will see the system settings on the top. Just click on that and now click on the sound setting, and here you just need to make sure that the in output devices it is the correct device is selected. So once you select the speakers or any kind of device you have, you also need to select the higher master volume. After that, guys, you also need to make sure that the input device is selected correctly, which is the microphone or any kind of device you have. Then simply launch the game, and if this is not the problem, then we are going to troubleshoot our problems. So you can go to the Windows setup with the troubleshoot setting and open it. Now click on the additional troubleshoot, and guys, here you will see the option of playing audio. Just click on that, you will see the option of run the troubleshooter. So guys, it will find and fix all kind of problems with your playing audio or the sound problems. So as you can see, it start detecting the issues, and if it will find any kind of issues in your sound, so this built-in function can give you to click on the resolve. So you can simply click on the resolve to fix your any kind of problems. Then simply launch the game, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows setup with the device manager and open it. Now guys, we are going to update our audio drivers. Here you will see the audio input and output. Here you will see your output device, which is the speaker or any kind of device. So right click on that and click on the update driver. Now click on the browse my computer for drivers. Click on the let me pick from a list. Guys, here you just need to select the audio endpoint or generic software device. You can go with anyone, like I can go with the audio endpoint. Then click on the next, then it will start installing. So after that, just click on the close. Now right click on the speakers again, click on the update driver, then click on the search automatically for update. Guys, if it says the best driver is already installed, then just leave it. And if it says then just update your drivers, then you can simply update your drivers from here. After update, just launch the game, see your problem is fixed or not. If not, guys, then just simply open up the control panel by going to Windows search, click on the hardware and sound, click on the sound, and here in the sound properties, you will see your speaker. So you can right click on your speaker or just highlight this, go to its properties. Now go to the advanced tab you are seeing on the top. And guys, here you will see the default format. So you can just select the quality to the anyone. So once you select the quality to any, like these are showing, you can launch the game and you can test any of these. You can test these one by one and see which format is compatible for your PC. And I hope guys one of these solution work for you. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is the only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.